This is a rare sighting. This is the spider monkey. And he has a theme song. Spider monkey, spider monkey. They're slowly going extinct, you see. See, he likes to jump off buildings and web swing. You should wait for the perfect timing. It didn't really work out well. They're slowly going extinct. But let's get a closer look on the spider monkey. Oh no, I fell. Get a closer look. A spider monkey attempts to stop a running train. Except there are none today. He looks very happy. This is one of the rare city monkeys. This is King Kong Monkey. He terrorizes the city, eating civilians. Let's get a closer look, shall we? He's very friendly. Not very friendly. Nope.
And this is the civilian, one of our most intelligent creatures.
I'm gonna fall off this really steep building. Help me, spider monkey. You hit me in my arm. I heard that.